Sarah and Sam are on their second date at a very nice, very expensive restaurant. Finally, the waiter brings over the bill and they think, who is going to pay? Sam reaches for the bill to be polite, to be a gentleman, but Sarah is way faster. She slaps her hand down on the bill, smiles, and says, "Don't worry, I've got this. I definitely earn more money than you do." Sam laughs and says, No, let's just split it 50-50. Or I can get it. I work a proper corporate job, you know. I earn good money. Sarah raises her eyebrow and asks, "Oh yeah, how much money do you actually make?" Sam proudly opens his calculator to show off his modest paycheck. It's not the most amount of money in the world, but it's decent, or at least to him, it sounds decent. Sarah smiles sweetly. She opens her bag and pulls out a heavy gold credit card. She says, "That's cute, Sam, but last year I sold my tech startup for £1 billion. So I am actually a billionaire." Now, Sam doesn't care about his pride. His eyes instantly open wide with dollar signs in them. He bursts out smiling with absolute joy. He thinks, a billionaire girlfriend? This is the best news ever. He immediately leans across the table, holds her hand, and turns on the charm. He smiles like a total gold digger. He says, no way. I definitely want to take you out on a third date now. But it's not to do with the money. In fact, why don't we just hang out every single day? Maybe we can even get married. Sam completely relaxes. He leans back in his chair and gestures for Sarah to pay. Free fancy dinners and everything forever. What a result! Well done, Sam. Well done, Sarah. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.